Hello friends, welcome back. I know, it's been a while. If you are new, please subscribe. Click the notification bell for video updates because I will be uploading videos every now and then because I have to prioritize work. In today's video, we will talk about on making you better in drawing using Affinity Designer on iPad. This is a 7-minute video and I hope you stay with me till the end. So to start with, let's make a very simple drawing, like a flat drawing. Let's also familiarize ourselves with our tools because if you don't, using the wrong tools, that will make the drawing process difficult. For example, you are going to paint a huge mural using a toothpick. Well, it is possible, but it would take a lot of time and effort to work on it. So you know what I mean. Okay, so let's start making a canvas and use the default brushes. And on the vector persona, click on the stock option. Be sure you are connected to the internet and look for references. For now, let's look up a simple orange fruit. Tap and drag your selection to your canvas and then resize it. Now we go back to Pixel Persona and let's break down our object by sketching it. And I'm using the default HB pencil for sketching. Right now, the very first thing that I want you to search for or to look at are the basic shapes that forms your subject. First, the main shape. Then, just make up a simple cross to identify the center line. Now, the triangle that forms the wedge. Just identify the shapes. This doesn't mean that you have to perfectly copy your subject, because we're just going to create a simple orange illustration. Take your time to sketch until you're happy with it. Never mind my speed because I've been doing this for a long time. Now that we have our sketch, let's finalize our drawing with vector in vector persona. Using the shape tool, we select ellipse or circle to form our orange. Well, obviously, if we have a different color, we change the color to orange. Tap on the third option below your screen that says the curves, so we can move the nodes of our shape to our desired form. Then we make another circle to represent the thickness of our orange skin. I encourage you not to color pick from the reference. Try selecting the color manually. This will train your eyes and will make you more creative. Place the circle inside your main shape. On the Layers panel, drag the light orange circle layer in the main shape layer to clip your second layer. Next step is to select the triangle on the Shape tool. In this case, our triangle is invisible because the triangle layer is inside our main object. Now, we orient our triangle to our base sketch. I know our triangle is pointy and we want to have a curvy corners. To do that, tap on the curve option for us to free transform our triangle. Then on the node tool, we click on the triangle node and select smooth option below our screen. Then we resize our triangle wedge based on our sketch. We then duplicate our triangle until we complete our orange wedge. This completes our main form. Then arrange these shapes to your heart's desire. Now let's talk about Transparency tool. Transparency tool will make your curves or objects graded half transparent. To show you how this tool works, let's work on the triangles. Duplicate one triangle and change the color to white. Then make the white triangle smaller inside the orange triangle. Select the Transparency tool and drag your pointer over the white triangle. Drag the Transparency tool handle until you meet your desired transparency, and then repeat the process to complete the highlight effect. Next tool will be the Fill tool, or what I call the Gradient tool. The difference of the Fill tool from the Transparency tool is that it will give you two similar hue, light and dark, of the same color. Select the Fill tool and just drag it on the main shape layer, then adjust the handles. Tap on a certain handle point and we are able to change the color of our gradient. And that's it for our flat vector orange.